So we have here our usage of electric energy. So di ba last time I already discussed on about electricity, importance ani sa capacitance. We also discussed about sa circuits. So now proceed tayo with wait. Okay. Proceed tayo with the usage of electric energy. So we have here what we call the electrical power in electric circuit. So circuits facilitate the delivery of electrical energy through the current flow of people who need it in our daily lives or who need it in daily lives. Kasi 'di ba electricity or we have electrical energy is very important for gadgets to function, for our lives to like make it easier. So electric current moves in a circuit from a source of electrically powered equipments. So, if we have here our sa mga circuits na to, kanang if we're going to make a circuit, ang di ba ang source of energy niya is our battery. However, is sa to ang kanang mga big na nga mga scenario like sa tong balay and other, so we have what we called our mga equipments nga sila ang nag-store og electrically powered or electric energy for our gadgets or for our electricities to functions. Then we have here the formula, or we have here what we call the electric power. So it is the rate per unit time at which the electrical energy is transferred by an electric circuit. Take note that we use an electric circuit to transfer or to transfer our electric power. So it is expressed as P is equal to V times I. We already know na yung V natin, yan yung voltage at saka yung I is our current. Then our P, that is our electric power. So let's have an example. So we have here an electric power heater, electric water heater consuming a 140 watt of power has been connected to a 220 volt outlet. So how much current is in the heating element? Balikan natin ito. So if we have here, if we're going to use a magic triangle for this will be, okay, wait lang. Okay, this can be P. Okay, we have here V and I. Okay, so pwede siyang ganito yung magiging triangle natin. So we have here our power or electric power is equal to V times I. So if we're going to solve for our current, we're going to P over V, and if we're going to solve for our voltage, that is P over I. Excuse me. So we have here our problem again. So given here, we have here our given. So we have here consuming a power of 140 watts. So power is 140 watts and it has connected to an outlet giving 220 volts. So we have here our V or voltage. It is 220 voltage or 220 volts. So we're going to solve for our current. So how much current is needed for the electric heater? So our formula, we have P is equals to V times I. So to solve for I, we have I is equals to P over V. That will be 140 watts divided by 220 volts. So that is equal to, okay, by the way, always secure your calculator with you, ha? So 140 divided by 220, that is equal to 0. Okay, so we have 0.64 ampere. So ito yung electric na current na needed for the electric water to like parang mag-function siya. Okay? Question with the problem. Actually, basic I can say na mas ambot if you agree na ang problem sa physics 2 is since this is more about electricity is more easy or like mas madali siyang intindihin compare sa problems natin before sa physics 1 sa kinematics kasi application jud siya. Yeah, tama. So ano lang siya, like it's just like a basic but daghan lang siya formula pero at least ang formula is basic lang pod. So mo lang na siya ang concept lang pod sa pag-apply sa sa tong lives. Mo na siya ang like murag goal niya, okay? So proceed ta with the next. So may question pa. Okay, ang A kay ampere glay. That is the unit for our current. Okay. Wait lang ha. Okay. Sige. Then, proceed to with the next. So we have here our heat generation from electric current. So the electric current, electric energy that passed through a current can be converted into heat. So by employing a circuit component with a higher amount of resistance. Kasi 'di ba, example, sa TV nato, we have electrical energy, tapos 'di ba it use electric. However, napod siya heat energy or like kanang ma-convert ang uban nga current into heat. Ka remember mo sa ano, law of conservation of energy katong dili ma-destroy or dili ma-create ang energy but it can be like kuan siya katong pag-solve sa efficiency nato if pila na lang ang energy nga nabilin. So it can be converted to another form of energy. So inani pud ang sa ano, heat generation from electric current. So we have here the resistance allows the energy it brings to accumulate and be converted into heat. So kining ano ang sa resistance or katong mga resistors nato mo to silang like ga-convert sa some of the electrical energy into heat. So we have here our formula that is J is equals to P times I squared. So, ang J mo na to, mo na siya tong heat generation or then our P that is our power, electric power. Then we have here our I that is our current. Okay? So we have here problem. An electric heater with a resistance of 8 ohms draws a 15 ampere current when plugged into an electric outlet. So what is the rate? What is the rate of the heat generation? So formula na to, we have J is equals to P times I squared. So given, we have here our, sorry. So we have here our resistance. Bakit resistance? Okay, so we have here our resistance of 8 ohms. Wait lang ha. Check na ko. Feel na ko is mali. Akong pag-define sa terms. Teka lang. Mhm. Formula is anong IR squared? Sorry, this is, dili siya P. This is G, tanawa lagi. This is J is equals to I squared. So, ang R na to is the resistance. Again, na correction. So, i-correct lang na akong PowerPoint later. So, since we have resistance, then we have our current involved. So, ito yung formula. We have J is equals to RI squared. So this is R. Okay. So we're given, we have R. So we have 8 ohms. Then we have here our current. We have here 15 amperes. So if we're going to solve for I squared, that will be, okay, I squared is equals to 15 ampere squared. So that is equal to 15 squared. We have 200. Okay, that is 225 ampere. Okay, so sige, ampere squared. Now we have here to solve for our heat generation. So we have J is equal to 8 ohms times we have 225 ampere squared. Okay. Now we have here, this will be now 8 times 2 to 5. So 8 times 8, that is equal to 1,800. So we have here 1,800 watts. So that will be the rate of, or this will be our heat generation. So muna siya ang amount sa ato ang heat generation of the electric heater. Okay? Question, by the way, we can have this as J is equals to 1.8 kilowatts. So para if you want nga ano, just divide it by 1,000 because 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. So, mana siya. Ang conversion, how did we convert this one? Okay, question with this. Pag-solve sa heat generation. Napay question. Okay, so wala. Wait. Okay, sige. Proceed na with the next. So application of circuitry in our daily lives. So circuits provide a pathway from the source of electrical energy to where it needs to be converted to different forms. So some of these applications can be found in batteries and light bulbs, and some is on our household wirings. So in batteries and light bulbs, so we have here, if this is our battery, then we have the wire, then we have the bulb. So ma-convert ang energy going to light. So we have here the simplest application. This is the simplest application of circuitry is seen on how a light bulb works. So light bulbs connected to a different batteries in different connections. So others do not use battery kanang connected na sila sa outlet. So if dili ma-connect sa battery is usually sa outlet sila. So batteries and light bulbs ang pairing nila, muna siya ang pinaka-simple na application on our circuits. I electricity. So that's it, circuitry. Then we have sa household wirings. So this provides a best visualization of how electric circuits work in delivering electrical energy. So we have here our circuit breaker, or we have here awang kanang sa electric breaker na to. Then we have here our energy meter. Kanang connected na sila sa every wiring nga kanang ga-provide og energy, electricity. So connected sa tong meter, tapos di ba mo na silang garid sa ato ang bills, electric bills. So we have here the switch, we have our outlet, then we have our bulbs and other electrical materials. So mo na siya ang other application pod sa ato ang electric circuit. Then we have here the selection of uses. So the flow of current in a conductor generates heat along its path. So it's dangerous that there will be too much electric heat that will flow on it. So ang electric fuse, they allow a certain amount of energy to pass through the circuit or to the path. And if there will be an excessive, or if there will be kanang too much amount of current kay masunog na siya, or like it will burn and prevent the damage to occur. So, ang katong fuse is mag-burn siya, then mag-stop ang flow sa current along ana nga path. So, example is kanang sa breaker, bitaw mo na siyang purpose pod sa atong electric, sa circuit breaker. Kay if, di ba, there are times nga, kanang matingala ta kanay munay mo buto. Matingala ta kay, example, na mo buto nga wire, or nahimubuto nga fuse kanang moingon sila nga nahimubuto nga fuse dito nga linya mao wala sila'y kuryente. So kung nahimubuto nga fuse dito nga linya, kung unsa tong mga like electric current or path nga connected ato nga nga fuse, kato lang sila nga line ang dili like kato lang sila nga line ang walay electricity. However, katong mga path nga dili connected ato nga fuse ga-function gyapon sila. So if sa tong balay, if we have kanang sa circuit breaker na to, if natay three lines or three sa fuse, say na to three lines na to. So if mobuto tong sa, if natay what we call namatay ginatawag no nga kanang mag short circuit mong kanang walay kuryente diri nga path. So amo na siya ang gamit sa fuse kanang para ma-avoid pod ang masunog, kay mo na siyang purpose sa fuse para ma-avoid nga nay masunog, or like nay mga faulty wirings may tabo. So mo po na siya nga very important nga natay breaker or circuit breaker sa tong mga balay, so that ma-prevent pod ang inana mga happening. Mo bito na nga, di ba, before kay wala pa may mga breaker ang balay, or wala pa yung mga circuit breaker. So katong mga old houses nga wala circuit breaker, kay ginaingnan jud sila sa kanang sa mm, electric company kanang gaano ga reading bitaw, or kanang sa mga electrical engineers nga need jud nga magbutang og circuit breaker to avoid kanang mga sunog-sunog or mga faulty wirings. Mo na siya ang use sa fuse. So ang fuse ang maga-control sa sa flow of current na nga maga-flow sa isa ka path. So kung sobra na, then mobuto to siya, then mag-stop ang flow sa current kay para ma-avoid ang mga unwanted happenings. Okay? Then, okay, mora to siya sa first part. May question with the electric circuits? Wala na yung question? Wait. Okay, sige nan. Okay. Okay, sige. If none, let's proceed with our circuit. Okay, so we have here, actually, more yun siya. So we have here the Kirchhoff's rules. So we have two rules. So first is the point or junction rule. So always take note na this rule is very important sa tanan jud nga. So we have here the first rule. We have the sum of all the current entering a point or junction of the circuit is equal to the sum of all the current leaving the point or junction. So the summation of all the current entering the circuit must be equal. Again ha, must be equal to the current leaving the circuit. Kasi 'di ba, if dili equal, asa nagapadulong ang uban nga current? So muna siya question. So if we have here, that's why we called here a point or junction because natay ginatawag nga example, this is our node. Okay, muna siya nga to ang junction. So if nagapadulong di atong kuan, this is our entering. So entering ni siya nga current. So tanan nagapadulong tanan nagapadulong sa node is entering na current. Tanan nagahawa, that is what we call the leaving current sa node. So mo ni siya ang like para ma-distribute na dayon nga current. Mo na siya ang sa first rule. Then sa second, we have here the second rule is the algebraic sum of the potential changes around the any complete in the network is equal to zero. So we have here the loop. So if this is our voltage, tapos kanang loop or like kanang rotation, okay, ang rotation sa current daw is just equal to zero. So if i-add na nimo tanan, that will be equal to zero. So muna siya ang, so any changes, di ba kay, we already know na ang current kay naga-enter from high potential to low potential. So we have here our positive that is high potential, then going siya sa low potential since this is a resistor, di ba? This is our resistor. So kung moagi siya diha, gikan siya sa high potential, moagi siya resistor, mugamay na iyang potential. So mugamay na siya, then the same dire, if nanapoy current dire, then from high potential going to low potential. So tanan changes mahitabo diha is equal to zero. So if this is positive, example, this is positive 8, then this must be negative 8 to make it equal to zero. So inana ang dapat sa second rule. So we have the loop or circuit rule of Kirchhoff. Okay, question with the rules. By the way, this can be referred as, say how we have here two electric circuits, no? So we have I1 plus I2 that must be equal to 0. Or we have your summation of I is equal to 0. Muna siya ang sa dire, sa second rule. Okay? Sige, application ta. By the way, did you get na your books? Kinsay nakakuha na silang mga libro? Okay, sige. Na naman mo i-book, no? So, let's use na lang the example sa book. Kay, kuan, mahirap na, lisod kay mangita example sa net. Okay, si Hans wala pa. Sige, sige. Let's use the example sa book. Nascan na ninyo inyong book unsaon pag-solve. So, we have here, say, we have an example. Okay, so say we have here, kinsa pa ba ang ulit nakakuha? Ay, okay, na daw book si Hans. Okay, sige, sige. Okay, so we have here, say this is, okay ha, assuming this is our circuit. Ano siya? Hindi ko kadra, okay. Okay, so this is our circuit. So we have here, oops. Okay, so let's have this example. This is, say we have 10 volts. This is 2 volts. Kini kay 3 ohms, 2 ohms, and we have 4 ohms. Okay, wait lang, na chat. Sige, go. Sige lang, bahalag wala. Wait lang transfer sana ako ang light kay ngit-ngit. Okay, so if we have here, muna siya to ang muna siya tong sample problem number 1. Na actually, nani siya sa book. Sige. So, but let's explain this one. So we have here, say this is our node. So this is our junction ha. By the way, when you say junction, na ay mga intersection sa variables. So this is our, say this is our A, this is B. Okay, but let's remove na lang this one. Let's use arrow. So, diri sa book, wala man gibutang na kung asa ang direction. So, if we're going to look at this, okay, going na dire, di ba katong illustration kanina, remember mo, ana siya. So, inani. So, if naay node, tapos natay entering, kini siya. Tapos, we have here going out, then kini going downwards. So, ang I ni siya, man siya itong I1, this is our I2, then this is our I3, tama ba? Okay. So, we have here I1, I2, and saka I3. So, our I1, okay, we have here our I1 is equal, muna siya itong entering ha, atong I1, muna siya itong entering current, is equal to I2 plus I3. Muna siya ato ang going out nga current or kanang sana existing current or kanang basta nagahawa nga current. Okay, man siya tong entering current, man siya to ang kanang nagahawa nga current, ang I2 at saka I3 kay going away man sila sa node. Okay, man sila. So we have here our 10 volts. Man siya to ang source of energy dire. Okay, dire po sa 2 volts later explain ko na siya. Accordingly, di ba kay ang flow sa current kay dapat kung asa siya naga-flow ana going siya ani dire. Nagaana siya dire padulong, dire na pod pagawas, then ana. So everything that goes in must go out. So kining I2, so kung unsa nang nakabutang sa babaw dire pod, this will be our I2. So mo ni siya tong I2 dire. Okay, then we have I3. Okay, mo ni siya ha. I3, then this is our I1. So kung natay node A, so mo ni siya tong A, tapos say this is our node B. So there is a first voltage kining sa 10 volts. As ang ato ang 1 is entering siya sa ato ang current A, sa atong node A. Tapos ang kining I2 ug I3 kay leaving siya sa ato ang node A. However, diri sa 2 voltage, okay, diri siya nga kuan na diri ta nga circuit. Diri ta nga line. Okay, diri ta nga line sa 2 volts. Ang ato ang node ay ato ang I3 or atong current 3 kay entering siya sa node B, ato ang I2 kay entering po siya sa node B, tapos atong I1, okay kanang I1 diha ha. Okay, leaving siya sa node B. Okay, nakuha lang, naka-follow ra sa process sa pagsulod ug sa paggawas. Nakuha ra? Sige, go. Okay, so now, nanataan ha, this will be our starting. Okay, this will be our starting equation. So let's say this is our equation 1. Okay, this will be our equation 1. Now, we already know nga total voltage is equal to V1 plus V2 plus Vn. Okay, Vn. Okay, kabalo na taan eh. Then we also know that V is equals to I times R. That is our current times resistance. So baliktad tanan sa atong mga formulas. Okay? So now, since we have here our total voltage nga 10 volts, so we have here 10, dili na ko isulat ha, 10 is equal to, okay, say this is our 1 at saka kini ha. 'Di ba? We all know nga kini siya nga circuit. Kini lang jud siya, diri lang jud siya tama naga-flow. Dira na siya kining 10 volts. Kining 2 volts diri po ni siya nga line. Okay. So we have 10 volts is equal to, din ako magbutang og V ha, that will be equal to I1 times 3. Okay. It will be equal to I1 times 3 ohms. Di na ako magbutang og unit. Kay daghan na kay isulat. Plus, okay, plus, we have here kini. We have 4 ohms times I3. So we have 4 or I3 times 4. So this will be 10 is equals to 3I1 plus 4I3. Okay. Muna siya ato ang equation number 2. Now, proceed ta with the next. Dire na po ta sa second, dire sa 2 volts. Okay, 2 volts is equal to, okay, we have here 2. Okay, so we have 2I2 plus, we have here our 4 ohms. We have here 4, okay, 4I3. Sige ha, that will be, dire na lang ko isulat ha, that is 2, we have 2I2 plus 4I3. This will be our equation number 3. Okay, muna siya itong equation number 3 ha. By the way, magamitan natin siya systems of linear equation. So, balik ta sa itong systems. Okay, so nanatay equation number 1, equation number 2, at saka equation number 3. Sige, then after that, substitute na to, di ba? We have I1 at saka I2. How are we going to solve for this I1 ug I2 kung wala tay value? Or like, dili na to makancel out. So, dapat makakancel out ta og um, isa ka, isa ka unit. Sige. Let's use this formula. I1 is equals to I2 plus I3. So we're going to substitute equation 1. There is equation 2. So that will be now, okay, this will be now 10 is equals to 3 times I2 plus I3 plus 4I3. So that is equal to, we have here 10. We have 3I2 plus 3I3 plus 4I3. I just simply distribute ha, distribute lang nako. So we have 10 is equal to 3I2, then 4 plus 3 that is plus 7I3. So nanatay equation number 4. So nanatay I2 at saka I3, I2 og I3. Now let's solve for I2. So mag-cancel out ta. So how to solve? Wait lang, okay. Unsa na to pag-solve? Dirita, anong katag man kay ni? So dirita, oopsie, sorry. So, dirita mag-solve sa babaw. Okay. So, we have here, i-multiply nato ni siya og 3. I-multiply nato nig 2 para mahimog 6. So, this will be, para ma-cancel out, di ba, we have to multiply this by negative 3 times 2 is equal to 2I2 plus 4I3. Okay. Then, kini po sa baba, we have 2 times 10 is equals to 3I2 plus 7I3. So this will be now equal to, this is negative 6 is equal to negative 6I2. Okay, negative 3 times 4, that is minus 12I3. Then kini 2 times 10, we have 20. Okay, so we have 20 is equal to 2 times 3, we have 6I2. Okay, 2 times 7 plus 14I3. So let's add this one. So 20 minus 6, that is equal to 14, is equal to 4. Negative 12 plus 4, that is 2I3. Tama ba 2? Okay, that is 2I3. So we have here I3 is equal to 7. Okay, that is 7. Okay, I3 is equal to 7 ampere. Okay, anong mali itong answer? Wait lang. Feel na ko na sayop. Ina ko na yun sayop ha. Sige lang. Wait. Tama di ay. Teka lang, balik ta balik. Then, we have here 7A, wait, let's solve this one muna. Sige, teka lang. Ay, ato sa i-solve. 7 times 2, dako na kayo. Nanay sayop. Okay, so dire, nakita na ako ata sayop. I forgot nga dapat kay mag-follow ta sa flow sa current. Sige, balik. Huwag mo nagsaba nga sayop ta. Okay, balik ta.
Sabot di kasabot mo.
Wala, grabe wala sila kasabot. Sige, teka lang. Balik ta. Sige, balik ta sa dire sa flow. Okay, sige. Erase tanan balik ta sa start. Sa man akong pen ay. Okay. By the way, ano din siya? Naay rule sa katong kung natanaw nga video, ay di siya rule ka ng mo din siya ang kuan. If going daw siya from high potential, going siya sa low potential, is ma-negative day ang current, tama? So, ma-negative ang current. Then, if from low, basta mag-going siya sa positive. Sige. Let's have this. Ang other pod, ang ano pod is, if naga-enter siya sa current, or naga-enter siya sa node, is positive. Oh, putol-putol ang tingog. Ako ang net, ang hinay, or ano ba? Sige. Sige ha, balik ta ha. Sige, balik ta. So, we have here, tas pamatag time, no? We still have 30 minutes pa. Tas pa ang time. Sige, Glay. So, we have here, di ba? Mo ni siya, ato siyang putol-putulon, be. Ay, sorry. Okay. Di ba, dirita first, kini siya, diri sa taon na. Sa first nga line. So, mo siya tong first na line. So, from 10 volts, mo siya tong node, di ba? Node A. So, since entering ni siya, that will be 10 volts. Okay, 10 volts is equal to, sige, 10 volts mo na siya. That will be, this is, mo siya, 10 volt is equal to, okay, we have here, entering man na siya, no? Sige, subtract na natin. So, minus, this is from positive to negative, high potential to low potential, that is minus 3I1. Okay, mo na siya, minus 3I1. Tapos, since this is also from positive to, from high potential to low, minus po siya, minus 4I2 is equal to 0. Ano siya? Or the same naman siya ganina. So we can also use 10. Okay, nagamit na po ta og volts. Okay, na-chat. Yes. Mo ni siya, Dave. Di ba kay atong total voltage, inani man to siya, di ba? Sige, balikan na to ni ha. Di ba atong total voltage is ang voltage across the resistor. So, mo ni siya, total voltage na to is V1 is equals to, mo ni siya, V1 plus V2. So, mo ni siya tong formula sa tong voltage. So, assuming this V1 that is equal to I1 and R1. So, this is our I1. So, mo siya tong resistor 1. So, actually, that is V1 is equal to I1 at saka R1. Mo ni siya tong gamit. Yes, mo na siya. Kay if magamit ta og kanang V1 or dili man ta kay wala tay values. That's why we use I at saka R kay mo lang man atong available na possible na gamiton. So we have here 10 is equal to, sige, gamiton na to ha. Balik, aton na sa ni siyang gamiton nga concept. So we have here 3I1, tapos we have here, then we're going to use this one for kini siya. We have I1 at saka sa I3. So we have here plus 4I, okay, I3. So since we have here in is equal to out, so that will be 10 is equal minus, i-transpose na to siya. That will be now 3I1, okay, 3I1 minus 4I3 is equal to 0. Now, we have here our okay, so teka lang ha. Feel na ko is mali ato ang kini nga gigamit. Entering, mani siya. Okay, mali di atong nagamit, this one. Na gi-provide diri, by the way, if gi-provide di ay kung asa padulong ang current, is mo atong i-follow. So gi-provide diri sa book nga going diri ang ato ang current. So mo din siya tong nasayop, diri dito nasayop. So this will be now I2, okay. Okay, that will be I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. So since diri sila going siya sa node A, tapos I3 is leaving, okay? So kini siya diri opposite. Okay. So kung unsay direction diri sa babaw, opposite lang siya sa direction diri sa ubos nato. So kining I3 going lang gyapon siya sa node B nato. So we have here I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Diri data na sayo. Okay. So we have here, muna na siya tong form equation ha. This is our equation number. Okay. So this will be our equation number 2. Then using our formula, we have I3 is equals to I1 plus I2. So this will be 10 minus 3I1 minus 4 times, substitute na to ang value, we have I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. So, yan na to yung finalize. So, we have here 10 minus 3I1 minus negative 4 times times I1, that is negative 4I1. Then, we have minus 4I2. It will be equal to 0. So, combining like terms, we have 10 minus 7. Okay, this is I1. 3 minus, negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7I1 minus 4I2. So this is our equal to 0. This is our equation number 2. Then, dito naman ta. So okay na ta sa first circuit. Dito sa first nga, sa first na stage. Then we have here, proceed ta sa 2 volts. Okay. The same process. So we have 2 volts is equal to, so we have 2 I2 plus, okay, we have here 4. Okay, we have 2I2 plus 4I3. So, transpose na to, we have 2 minus 2I2 minus 4I3 is equal to 0. Yes, duha siya ka power source. Since we have 2 voltage man or 2 batteries. So, we have here, substitute na po na to ang value sa ato ang I3. That will be 2 minus 2I2 minus 4 times I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. So we have 2 minus 2I2. Distribute na to ang 4 minus 4I1. Then distribute that will be 4I2 is equal to 0. So combine like terms. So we have 2 minus 4I1. Okay, negative 2 minus 4, that is negative 6I2 is equal to 0. Okay, tama ba na itong formulas? Okay, so we have here 2 minus 4I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 0. So this will be our equation number 3. Now we can solve for our, solve natin yung I using our formula or equation. So solve for I1. So solve for I1 tayo. So to solve for I1, cancel out natin tong I2. So kailangan natin i-multiply ito by 6. Ito is multiply natin by 4. So we have negative 6, that will be 10 minus 7I1 minus, okay, minus 4I2 is equal to 0. Then we have positive 4 times 2 minus 4I1 minus 6I2 is equal to 0. Okay ha? Then, sige, distribute na to. Diri na to sa ubos isulat. Okay, so sa ubos na to isulat. So we have negative 6 times 10, that is negative 60. Negative 6 times negative 7, that is positive 42. I2. Then, negative 6 times negative 4, that is positive 24. Okay, this is I1 pala. Sorry, I1. Then 24 I2 is equal to 0. Then 4 times 2, we have 8. Then we have 4 times 4, that is negative 16. Then 4 times 6, that is minus, we have here minus 24, okay, I1, 24, I2 is equal to 0. So now we have here, cancel out na to, okay, be, 2, 4, 6, 4. Okay, so we have here a negative 60 divided by 8, negative 60 minus 8, that is negative 52. Okay, cancel out naman this is equal to 0. 42 minus 16, pila man eh? This is 26. Tama ba? Okay, this is, dali lang. Hindi ko sure. Hindi ako kabalo. Okay, that is 26. So that is positive 26. I1 is equal to 0. So we have here I1 is equal to 52 divided by 26 ampere. So, mo ni siya to ang charge. Hala. Okay, 52 divided by 26 ampere, that is equals to 2 ampere. That is 52 divided by 26, that is equal to 2 ampere. Okay? So, nanatay I1. So, let's now solve for our I2 using, okay, asa tong gamiton na formula. It's either were you going to use equation number 2 or equation number 3. Gamiton na to ang equation number 3. Kay gamay ang mga values. So, we have here, solve for I2. Okay, so we have here solve for I2. We have 2 minus 4 I1 minus 6 I2 is equal to 0. So, ato ang I1 is equal to 2. So, we have 2 minus 4 times 2 minus 6 I2 is equal to 0. So, we have 2 minus 8 minus 6 I2 is equal to 0. So, we have negative 6 minus 6 I2 is equal to 0. So, I2 now, I2 is equal to negative 1 ampere. Okay? Question? Nanatay I1 ug I2? Sige. Question ay question? Sige, kung wala, proceed ta sa solve for I3. So, to solve for I3, so we have here, we're going to use this formula. Sige ha, I3 is equal to I1 plus I2. So, we have here I3 is equal to, sige, 2 minus, we have here 2 plus negative 1. So, that will be I3 is equal to 1 ampere. So, that is our values sa tuang current diri sa atoang circuit. Using the, okay, so checking tayo using the Kirchhoff rule nga dapat ang going in nga current is equal siya sa going out nga current diri sa node A. So, we have here I1, checking ha, diri tas babaw mag-checking. So, we have here I1 plus I2 must be equal to I3. So, entering current, that will be 2 ampere plus negative 1 ampere is equal to 1 ampere. So, we have, that is 1 ampere is equal to 1 ampere. So, nakita na to nga, ang entering current is equal siya sa kanang nagapagawas nga current. Okay? By the way, negative current, negative ampere or kanang negative current is nag-show lang siya nga nga ga-decrease ang iyahang current or like ang iyahang direction is going on the opposite side. Okay? So from low resistance going siya sa high. I mean from high resistance going siya sa low. Yeah, tama. Ana siya. Okay, question? Nakuha lang ang sa example number 1 o sample problem number 1. Yeah, libog siya. Libog jud siya, so kailangan siya og matindihang paggamit sa systems of linear equation. Basta kay ang concept ra jud kay I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 or like entering current is equal siya sa nagagawas nga current. Inana siya. I-total tanan resistance tapos dili makuha ang individual current. Wala man gud tay value, wala tay value sa IR. So we do not know the value diri sa I, we do not have the value sa R sad, mong dili siya pwede magamit. Kung transpose, nag-try na nako, dili gyapon. Oh. Pero pwede, sige, i-try ninyo ni. Kaya naman good, we have ang lacking, dagan kitag lacking na mga information. Sige, go. I-try ko ni siya. I-send ako si mo Dave if ma-solve na ko ni. Okay, checking ta. Sige, checking ha. Diba we have here, another checking is, Another checking is, diba, we have V total is equal to V1 plus V2. So, i-try na to nag-add tanan. So, we have here 3. Diba, we have 3 ohms. This is our I1. 3 ohms times 2 ampere, that is 6. Then 4 times 1 that is 10. So we have 10 volts. So check, tama siya, tama ni. Tama to ang first o second current. Diri na pud sa sa 2 volts, we have 2 times -1 that is -2 plus 4 so that is +2. So we have 2 volts. So magamit gyapon ni siya nga concept. Og kini siya nga concept. Okay? Og kini siya. So actually nagamit jud tanan tong atoang natun-an sa circuit nga katong simple circuit lang. So kini man gud kay combination ni siya. We have 2 voltage na. Okay? Question? May question? Walay question? Sige, go. Actually we can apply also here ang katong what's this? Question, nagkatawa na lang si Glay. Sige. Actually, we can apply here ang sa loop pod na concept. However, this will be another, na po siya, if i-add ni tanan I1, I2, and I3, maana po yung mga involvement dire. Yeah, inana Japon siya. Sige, let's have another example. Sa example number 2, makaya pa sa tong time, 22 na. Hindi na makaya sa tong time. Sa nga page 93. 92. Page 92 o page 93 din, 94 dayon ang second. Batan ako diri ha. Page 92 ang sa rule 1. Then page 94 ang sa rule 2. Okay. Yes, Kirchhoff. Sige. Let's have example number 2. Very quick lang man nataning sa number 2. Mas dali siya compare sa ano. Sige. Ato lang na siyang dalian. Sige, we have here, man siya. Tapos, nanatay voltage diri, battery. Then, nanapo diha. Okay. Tapos, nanapo diri. Ay, sorry. Okay. Nata resistance diha. Then, uy naman diri. Okay. Then, diri. Ay, sorry. Ay, wala dahil. Tama dito diri. Wala. Okay, so mo ni siya ang sa loop or sa cycle, we have here I1, I3, tsaka I2. We have here I1, mo siya tong I1. We have here I3, tapos diri ang I2. So, ato na siyang ipang-solve. Lang ha. This is 7 ohms. This is 5. 5 ohms and they have 6 volts and 8 volts. Okay. So, the same process, di ba kay, ang ante is the sum of all. We have here I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So, this will be our first equation. Now, we have here, say this is our nodes. So, muna siya. Okay, muna siya itong nodes ha. Okay, when you say loop, okay, so, kung mayroon kag loop, muna siya itong I3, tira. Okay, ana siya, this is our loop. Kanang, ang rotation bitaw sa current. So, from this, say this will be, asa yung label, ani be? Okay, so this will be ang junction. We have A. Muna siya itong junction A. We have B. Okay, natay B dire. Then we have C at saka we have D. So by following this, kini siya B, D, ana siya going sa A. So we have that mga formulas. So by using our katong we have here I1 plus I2 plus I3, then katong ganina the same 6 volts will be equal to okay. Will be equal to, di ba? We have here from positive, negative, then we have positive. Tama ba niya itong label? Okay, this is positive. Okay, wait lang. Dili man din ni kuan diri. Current, voltage man din ni. Ano siya, Dave? Diri lang siya. Clockwise, if naay counterclockwise, ang counterclockwise is from, ano man daw siya, from, ingon tong sa akong video, is from voltage siya. So, diri yun siya mag-start kung asa naga-flow. Marag ang flow bitaw sa current, muna siya. Sa second loop kay, yeah, counterclockwise. Here. Sorry, be. Counterclockwise ang flow sa current. Actually, we can just assume na kini siya ang ano, sa second loop dire. Dire mangod siya gihapon sa second current. Sige lang. So we have here sa 6 volts. Bayan sa ni time? 326 na. Sige, ano na lang it's already 326. I will record na lang this discussion sa problem number 2. Okay, ma-short na to sa time. Sige, go. So ano na lang nato na lang. I will record na lang the discussion sa problem number 2. So you can leave now. Let's pray muna before you leave. I will continue na lang here the discussion balag wala mo. Sige, go. Wait lang. Pause ka muna. Okay, so we have here our example number 2. So this is our circuit. So we have here, according to our circuit, ng ating I3 is going to this node. Okay, so this, so let's name this as A. Let's name this as B. Let's